Here you go, buddy.
Here, come here. Here,
Here you go.
grab it.
Hold on.
Ready?
Yep.
Ready?
Go ahead.
Put it in here. Put it in the piggy bank. Get your card. Push it in. Oh, what's going on? Oh my. Here, here, look. Watch for your card to come. Is it bringing your car?
Is your car coming, buddy?
Is it?
Yeah.
Watch for it.
What the heck, dude? I got chips when I put money into a vending machine. You get a car?
Are you gonna get a car?
Yeah.
Let's wait for it. Wait for it to come down. Is it coming down?
Yeah.
The vending machine. It's coming. Your car. Is that your car?
Oh, wow.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, you got your car! Let's go look at it. Look at it. Now what? What is that?
Okay.
It's a blue car.
Yeah. Does it go out that way or this way?
I don't know. I have no idea. I assume it's going to come out that way.
They put my money in.
You did, you put it in and it gave you a car. I think we gotta go that way, maybe.
Uh-oh. What's it doing now, buddy?
That way.
Yeah, we gotta go get it, come on. I think,
Wow, buddy. What is that?
Go.
Yeah.
cars.
Yeah, I just, I wanted to.
Yeah, I gotta get one. Hey,
I'm gonna stay in here while you do it.
is that fun? Hey, was that fun?
Yeah.
You wanna go look at it with Daddy?
Yeah.
Okay.